Hey there, welcome back to House in Progress. I'm Scott, and today we're with my buddy Wills, and we're at his house and we're hanging up his Christmas lights. I'll show you a unique way to do this that'll make it easier in the future. Here we go. Alright, so the method that I'm going to be showing you today involves these cup hooks. I recommend getting them in a 5/8 inch or 3/4 inch variety, and then just make sure you have a battery powered drill with a drill bit that's slightly smaller than the screw end of the hook. Starting at the edge of your house, every 2 to 3 feet you're going to pre-drill a small hole just to make it easier on your hand when you screw in the hooks. When you screw in the hooks, just be careful not to over tighten them because they can shear off altogether, and make sure that you leave the open looped end facing up. That's really it. Once you've done that this year, every year after that, hanging up your Christmas lights is a breeze, and taking them back down is also super easy. You don't have to worry about breaking the little plastic clips that snap to the gutters of the shingles. The hooks just stay up year-round, and you can paint them to be more discreet if you'd like. I really like this method because it makes installing my lights year after year so much faster, because all you have to do is climb that ladder, throw the line over the hooks, pull it tight, and then plug them in. No dealing with the snapping of the clips in the cold weather. You just throw them up and they're ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Now I'm all twisted up. I also don't want to stand right by your day. We're hanging up Christmas lights.
That sucked. Today we're hanging up Christmas.
I forgot what we're doing.